Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make butter moong dal chakli. So initially I am going to start with roasting the moong dal. So this is around 500 grams of moong dal which I am going to roast till it turns golden in color, and then I am going to grind it. By roasting, the moong dal gets grinded well. Southern India chakli is well known as murukku. This is very delicious, very tasty, and kids really love this. While roasting, keep the flame on a low medium heat so that the dal doesn't get burnt. And now here you can see the moong dal is done. Switch off the flame and I'll let it cool, and then I'm going to grind it. So here you can see the moong dal is done. It's cool now. So just take little bit of moong dal in the grinder. I'll grind it into batches. The first batch is done. You can see the consistency. It should be as similar as the flour. So herein goes another 1 bowl of this is rice flour. This is again 500 grams of rice flour. To this I'll add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. This is at room temperature, and I'm going to mix the butter into the flour very well. See to it that the butter mixes well with the flour, and you should be able to bind the flour. So here you can see it is still not binding properly, so I'll add in some more butter. So now here you can see the butter, when it is mixed well, the flour is binding. So herein goes 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix it well. For spices I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use spicy one if you want. And then mix it well into the flour. Herein goes salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well, and with the help of water I'll knead the dough. Use water in smaller quantities and go on kneading it. The dough should be smooth, just like the dough we knead for the chapatis. So here you can see the dough is ready. I kneaded it on the flat platform. It was easier for me to knead. So now I'll keep it in the mixing bowl and let it rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now here is the mold, the chakli mold, and now I'll just put the dough into it. Just cover the lid, and below is the chakli blade, and when I'll be rotating the mold, I'll get the chakli and then just swirl it to form the chakli shape. So on a plate, just go on moving the mold, and then just go on rotating the swirls, making chaklis. 4 to 5 rounds you will get an average shape of chakli. So herein 5 chaklis are ready. The oil I have already kept it to get heated up. So now I am going to fry the chaklis. So herein the oil is heated. I'll just check with a small piece of dough ball. It has sizzled up. So the oil is ready. Add in the chaklis slowly into the oil and fry till they turn golden in color and crispy. Keep the flame on a medium heat while frying the chaklis. Otherwise the center part will remain raw. So just flip the chaklis once one side is done and fry the other side till they turn crispy and golden in color. Don't be in a hurry to flip the chaklis, otherwise it will start to break. Fry for approximately 1 minute so that the chakli retains its shape, and then flip it over. So here you can see the first batch of chakli is fried. It has turned golden in color and it is also crispy. So just remove it on a tissue paper on the kitchen towel so that you get rid of the extra oil. Serve this with tea. This is a very nice tea time snack.